In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly access and use Microsoft Bookings through your Outlook account. Microsoft Bookings is a fantastic tool that can help streamline your scheduling needs by managing appointments and calendar coordination all in one place. Whether you're using it for work or school, I'll guide you through the easy steps to get started. First, let's begin by accessing your Outlook account. You have two options here. You can go to the Outlook website at outlook.office.com or open your Outlook desktop application. I'm going to assume you're using your Microsoft 365 work or school account, so go ahead and get signed in with those credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your familiar Outlook interface. Now, direct your attention to the App Launcher. You'll find this handy feature characterized by a grid of 9 dots located in the top left corner of the screen. It's your pathway to accessing a variety of apps offered by Microsoft 365. So, go ahead and click on it. This action will present you with a list of available Microsoft 365 applications tailored to enhance productivity and collaboration. Our focus today is on Bookings, an app that integrates effortlessly with your Outlook calendar. Scroll through the list until you find it. In case you don't see Bookings listed right away, don't fret. There's a simple workaround. Just click on All Apps to reveal the entire suite of apps available within your Microsoft 365 package. Once there, locate and select Bookings. At this point, you'll notice that the Microsoft Bookings web app opens up, seamlessly syncing with your Outlook calendar. This integration is what makes Bookings particularly useful. It allows you to manage appointments, set availabilities, and coordinate meetings with minimal hassle. All your changes and scheduled items are automatically updated within your Outlook interface. To wrap things up, here's a handy tip. To make the most out of Microsoft Bookings and ensure it works optimally for you, spend some time exploring its features. Customize your booking page, set up your services, and decide who can book meetings with you and when. This level of personalization ensures that your scheduling needs are met efficiently. With a streamlined setup like this, you'll find that managing your appointments becomes more straightforward and less time-consuming. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you're now set up with Microsoft Bookings through Outlook, opening the door to enhanced organization and better time management. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to explore all that Bookings has to offer to truly maximize its benefits. Happy scheduling!